got our full forecast, and a little bit breezy out there, which kind of added to the chill.
I feel like it almost looked nicer than it actually was outside because it was brilliantly sunny, but yeah, a little on the chilly side. But if it's the sunshine you want, great news for this week because we only really have one day, Wednesday, that's not going to feature that sunshine. High temperatures today, though, a little bit on the chilly side. Our average high temperature, 57 degrees along the coastline, but today, a lot of us didn't even make it into the 50s at all, only 38 for a high in Caribou today, so quite chilly out there. And in addition to these cooler temps, we also saw pretty high wind gusts, especially in areas in eastern Maine, gusting to almost 35 miles per hour, like areas like Augusta and in Bangor today. So even despite that April sunshine that we saw today, which we saw plenty of sunshine, it almost looks like the visible satellite is broken because of just how much sunshine we had today, but still a little bit on the chilly side. The good news is, though, is that we don't have to worry too much about rain until later in this week. However, that does have a little bit of a flip side here. So our relative humidity right now only in the teens in a lot of spots, and very low relative humidity means it's very dry outside. So because of that, we do have high fire danger conditions for much of the state today, highlighted in this yellow color, moderate conditions up north in the blue color. We will have some rain on Wednesday. That should kind of help damper this just a little bit. So right now we have an area of high pressure over us, which gave us that plenty of sunshine today. We do have a system coming from the Great Lakes that'll move through on Wednesday. This is a cold front that will bring a couple of scattered showers on Wednesday, but it's not a very powerful system, so it won't have too much precipitation associated with it. And then behind this system, more high pressure is able to move into our area. And then by the time we get to the weekend, we end up warming up. A lot of places going to be in the 60s. So clear overnight tonight, so our temperatures will drop to below freezing for a lot of us. Another really nice day tomorrow. Temps a little bit warmer, but still plenty of sunshine. And then we start to cloud up late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Start to see some showers in the mountains about 4 a.m. on Wednesday, and these scattered showers will continue for much of the day. Again, not very heavy rain or consistent, but we will see those scattered showers throughout much of the afternoon. A little bit of snow on the back end of this system. However, it's really not going to accumulate much because we are into April, so it's a bit too warm for that, but we still see a little bit of some novelty snowflakes in the mountains behind this system. And then the rest of the week also looks really nice. Don't have much precipitation to worry about until the end of the weekend. Quite breezy tomorrow, though, especially also into Wednesday. Marine forecast got that small craft advisory until 8 p.m. on Tuesday. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, things are looking really nice out there. Only have some rain to worry about for the day Wednesday. But Brian and Amanda, it looks to get really warm by the time we get into the weekend. So I'm very excited to spend some time outside.
I think we all are.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
we're
We'll
ready.
take that. All right, Dana, thank you.